If you're sending money abroad to family or friends, chances are you've heard of Remitly. It's one of the leading money transfer apps today, helping millions of users send funds to over 170 countries. But how does it really work? And is it worth using compared to other services? Let's take a detailed look at its features, pros and cons, so you can decide if Remitly fits your needs. Remitly offers two main transfer options: Express and Economy. The Express option lets you send money instantly, using a debit or credit card, which is perfect for urgent situations. Most transfers under this option arrive within minutes. Meanwhile, the Economy option is a slower but cheaper method, ideal for those who aren't in a rush. It uses bank transfers, which take a few days to process, but usually come with lower fees and better exchange rates. One of the strongest points of Remitly is its speed and flexibility. Recipients can receive funds through bank deposits, mobile wallets, or even cash pickups, depending on what's available in their country. This makes it especially convenient for families in areas with limited access to banks. The app's real-time tracking feature also allows you to follow every step of the transfer, from sending to receiving, giving users peace of mind that their money is safe. Remitly also runs promotions and first-time user offers, such as better exchange rates on your first few transfers. It's simple to use and well-designed for beginners, with an easy setup process and transparent delivery estimates. Security is another highlight. The app uses two-factor authentication and encryption to keep your transactions secure. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Remitly's exchange rates may include a small markup compared to the real mid-market rate, which means you might not get the best possible value on every transfer. Fees can also vary widely depending on the country and payment method. Credit card payments are faster, but tend to have higher costs. Lastly, Remitly is best for personal remittances, not for large or business-related transactions. Overall, Remitly is a great choice if you prioritize speed, reliability, and convenience when sending money internationally. It's especially useful for migrant workers and families who rely on regular remittances. As long as you compare rates and choose the right delivery option for your needs, Remitly can be a trustworthy tool for your international transfers. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss more money transfer reviews and helpful finance tips.